Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today going to be looking at the Ontario Science Centre location here, and specifically the Eglinton Crosstown station that is almost complete for the new Eglinton Crosstown line that's coming. Hopefully by spring of 2023 it'll be open. So driven over here with my kids today. They've gone into the Science Centre for a visit, and I'm going to take some video around here and hopefully show you what's going on. So please like and subscribe and enjoy the rest of the video. So that road back there is Don Mills, and this is the entrance to the Science Centre. Comes in off of Don Mills here. There is a IMAX cinema here as well, so that's fun. But there's no public transport here, and that's one of the things that makes the Eglinton Crosstown interesting, is that they've been building this new subway extension across Eglinton Avenue. If you haven't watched my other video on the Eglinton West terminus at Renforth, you can watch that. That'll be the terminus for the other end of this system eventually, once the extension is built. But the Crosstown is going to be opening within the next 10 months, I would say. So that should be great for the city, because then people can go up the Yonge line and then across the Eglinton line right to the Science Centre. Right now you can probably get buses. There's probably specific buses. If you're just walking down this path here north from the Science Centre, you'll see that those two cranes there, and that rather spectacular looking, looks like a thundercloud growing up there. Pretty impressive. Just looking through the trees as I walk through, you can see the station, the blue glass there. Okay, so here is one of the entrances to the station. Just if I pan here slowly, you can come out there and you can walk right to the Science Centre. Perfect. And one of the things we talk about these days is transit-oriented development. You can see over there, if I zoom, Crosstown Place. Office space, 120,000 square feet. Look at that development all the way down there, and these new condos going up over there. So you build a transit line in Canada, or in Toronto in this case, you will encourage development. They call it transit-oriented development or transit-oriented development over here, but I believe in Europe they call it development. And that's not me saying that, that's a few other people on YouTube. Cool though, Toronto's just exploding. Okay, that's the station. Kind of interesting architecture, it's all sloping. It's a good idea for the snow and ice to slowly run off in the winter. Also gives you the idea, I guess the impression that you're going underground. So I kind of like that idea. We have a new sidewalk that's been developed from the intersection. Of course, this is another one of Toronto's giant intersections in Don Mills and Eglinton. And you know, they're getting this all done here. There's the station, it's called Science Centre. Using the standard Toronto. It's using the standard Toronto labelling system. But TTC, I guess. Or maybe it isn't. Nice big open area. Hydrants. Some benches around here. Yeah, it's nice, eh? Somebody looking at me quizzically. So, and this is the roadside. So you have lots of space for pedestrians and traffic to go in and out. You can see the Science Centre logo is in the glass. Okay, just coming from the other side, on the south-west corner. The entrance there. On that side of the road, which I'll take a walk over there, is it's a bus terminal that links to the subway, and it's still underground here. I'm going to go across the road. This giant parking lot here is going to be developed into a condo. So here we have a feature with a rock inside a concrete well. Not sure if they're going to fill that with water or something. But that's the entrance to this whole bus terminal. Still a construction site, of course. But if I walk down here, try and get you over the fence. There's a shitter, porta potty, as we call them. There's some guys working today. It is Monday today, so they're fixing some of the roof. This is the new Science Centre bus transfer station. So you get off the train, come up here, and there'll be a row of buses waiting for you. That'll be nice for a lot of people that have not been able to get out of town that easily. Should be able to see into the station there. Might be a truck. See the station there, and escalator going down onto the subway. So that's kind of cool. So you can see that Crosstown development. Huge plaza. Okay, a little quieter down here. So I'm just walking west along Eglinton Avenue. You can see all the works. So that station up in the corner there, this goes underground here, the crosslink, the LRT. And if you can see down the road there, you can see that it comes above ground. And it has its own median and it runs in the centre of the road. A bit further down, you can see the catenary with the power coming out, going down into the tunnel there. And then you can see some signals here. They're red, obviously. So, not sure anything's going to be coming by today. We're going to walk now all the way. So you get out the Science Centre and we're going to walk towards the Science Centre. So they have this new path. This is parking lot that apparently is being used for construction servicing. So lots of ins and outs. And I'm assuming that the Ontario Science Centre is going to build a better walkway than what we see here. Anyway, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like what I'm doing here, please subscribe, make some comments, maybe make some suggestions on where you want me to go in the Greater Toronto area. And I'll try my best to get out there and make a video. And I go on urbantoronto.ca quite a bit, and I see all the different projects that are happening on there. There's also a guy called Reese Martin who does RM Transit on YouTube. If you're interested in transportation around the world, and especially in Canada and the Greater Toronto area, he's your guy. So RM Transit, I'll put a link in the description. And yeah, you can see the Science Centre over there. So I'll sign off. Hope you enjoyed the video, and see you in the next one.